Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some juicy updates on the ongoing criminal trial against former President Donald Trump. Judge Mara has been handling a flurry of motions this morning, setting the stage for what promises to be a riveting trial. So, buckle up and let's dive into the details. Before we even get to jury selection, Judge Mara has already made some significant rulings. These rulings go to the heart of the prosecution's case, which alleges that Trump orchestrated a catch-and-kill program to silence women with whom he allegedly had relationships. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this catch-and-kill program? Well, it's a scheme where stories about Trump's alleged affairs are bought and then buried, never seeing the light of day. Pretty shady stuff, right? In this drama, we've got some key players. Donald Trump himself, along with Michael Cohen and David Pecker, the publisher of the National Enquirer. They're accused of being the masterminds behind this operation. One of the big-ticket items going to the jury is the alleged payment of $140,000 to Stormy Daniels, another woman linked to Trump. Karen McDougal, a Playboy playmate, also received a hefty sum to keep quiet about her relationship with Trump. Let's not forget the National Enquirer's involvement. They were allegedly at the forefront of this scheme, working hand in hand with Trump's inner circle to sweep these stories under the rug. Now, why would Trump go to such lengths? Well, the prosecution argues it's all about motive and intent. By silencing these women, Trump aimed to protect his reputation, especially during the 2016 election campaign. Despite objections from Trump's legal team, Judge Mara has ruled that all this evidence is fair game. It's crucial for the jury to understand the full scope of the alleged conspiracy. Get ready for some compelling witness testimonies. Karen McDougal is set to take the stand, revealing details about her alleged payment from Trump's camp. Even a former doorman from a Trump building might have his story heard. Now, you might have heard about the infamous Access Hollywood tape where Trump made some, let's say, questionable remarks. However, Judge Mara won't allow the tape itself to be played in court. But don't worry, the tape's significance won't be overlooked. It's seen as the catalyst for Trump's team to ramp up their efforts to silence any damaging stories. The Access Hollywood tape sent shockwaves through Trump's campaign. It's argued that it prompted the adoption of the catch-and-kill strategy as damage control. Get ready for some insider insights. Hope Hicks, a close confidant of Trump's, is expected to spill the beans on Trump's knowledge of the catch-and-kill program. Hicks' testimony could be crucial in connecting Trump to the National Enquirer's role in the scheme. Her first-hand accounts could paint a vivid picture for the jury. As the trial unfolds, expect plenty of back and forth between the prosecution and defense. Judge Mara will be presiding over a series of motions, ensuring a fair trial for both sides. Jury selection is no small feat. Unlike federal court, where it's a swift process, New York State Court takes its time. Get ready for a week-long journey of selecting the right jurors. Trump's legal team isn't sitting idly by. They're pulling out all the stops to tip the scales in their favor, seeking any advantage they can get. Let's face it, Trump's in hot water. With mounting evidence and witness testimonies lined up against him, he's got a tough road ahead. The public's interest in this trial is undeniable. People are eager to see justice served and to learn more about the inner workings of Trump's circle. The media frenzy surrounding the trial is intense. Every development is dissected and analyzed, adding to the drama both inside and outside the courtroom. Expect plenty of legal maneuvering from both sides. Trump's defense team will likely pull out all the stops to discredit witnesses and poke holes in the prosecution's case. One key battleground will be witness credibility. Both sides will try to sway the jury by highlighting or attacking the credibility of the individuals taking the stand. The courtroom promises to be a stage for high-stakes drama. Tensions will run high as each side presents its arguments and evidence. The outcome of this trial could have far-reaching political ramifications. It's not just about legal guilt or innocence. It's about the future of Trump's political career and his legacy. Public opinion will undoubtedly play a role in shaping the narrative of the trial. How people perceive Trump and his actions could sway the jury's decision. This trial could set legal precedents for future cases involving high-profile figures and allegations of misconduct. The verdict will be closely watched by legal experts across the country. The trial's impact won't be confined to U.S. borders. It's garnered international attention, with people around the world tuning in to see how it unfolds. The trial serves as a test of the justice system's transparency and accountability. It's an opportunity to demonstrate that no one, regardless of their status, is above the law. For the alleged victims involved, the trial is a chance to seek justice and reclaim their narratives. It's a testament to the power of speaking out against abuse and injustice. Ethical considerations will be front and center throughout the trial. Lawyers on both sides must navigate complex legal and moral questions in their pursuit of justice. Judge Mara's handling of the case will be closely scrutinized. The integrity of the judiciary hinges on fair and impartial proceedings, free from outside influence. The trial's significance extends to communities across the country. It's a moment for civic engagement and reflection on the principles that underpin our democracy. For activists and advocates, the trial is an opportunity to push for systemic change. It highlights the need for reforms that promote transparency, accountability, and justice for all. The trial underscores the importance of legal protections for whistleblowers and witnesses. Without safeguards in place, speaking truth to power can be a risky endeavor. Ethical considerations loom large in the trial's proceedings. Lawyers and judges must navigate complex moral dilemmas in their pursuit of justice. Judge Mara's handling of the trial is a test of judicial independence and integrity. Upholding the rule of law requires impartiality and fairness at every stage of the proceedings. As the trial unfolds, one thing is clear: the eyes of the nation are upon it. The outcome will reverberate far beyond the walls of the courtroom, shaping our understanding of justice and accountability in the years to come. Stay tuned for more updates as the drama continues to unfold.